Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this listing or any other listings held by one of the Ewing Pros, please visit www.ewingpros.com.
If you'd like more information about Dexter or any of its great neighborhoods, be sure to check out our short film Discover Dexter or any of our neighborhood spotlights by clicking on either video below.
If you enjoyed this video or any of our others, feel free to show it by clicking the like button or leaving a comment below. And don't forget to share us with your friends on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again.